people living in Opa-locka apartments are cleaning up after their homes flooded again.
It's a story you saw first right here on Local 10. They say it happens every time it rains and they complain, but nothing ever gets done. Local 10's Janine Stanwood reports.
We were here last night, several apartments covered with water, and take a look. That water has not receded. People tell us they are frustrated. This is one of several apartments that was flooded last night and still is flooded today. The water has not receded.
This is the kitchen.
Residents at the Glorietta Gardens apartments FaceTiming us, sharing their soggy misery. First floor units at this low-income property covered in water. They say just about every time there's heavy rainfall.
And what's that like for you guys?
Terrible. Every time it gets rain, this is what we go through.
My husband is dropping off some bags of sand. It's ridiculous. They never fix it. It's been like that for years.
So we tried reaching out to the property owner, which touts on its website renovations done to the complex several years ago.
Hi, this is Janine Stanwood. I'm a reporter with Local 10 News.
We left a message. An email we sent was bounced back. Then we called another number listed online and got elevator music. In December 2018, U.S. Senator Marco Rubio sent a letter to the owners asking why conditions here were still slum-like, even after millions of dollars in renovations using public money. The Department of Housing and Urban Development acknowledging the owners' failure to maintain the property. Some people who live here tell us the flooding seems to be getting worse.
Every room in my house is flooded. I was in another apartment. I had problems in that apartment, and they moved me over here. And it has gotten worse.
We also have a call into Public Works. Again, you can see that floodwater just has not receded. There are a lot of people who live in this complex who are elderly and disabled. They tell us they're trying to do what they can to stay dry. We're in Opa-locka. I'm Janine Stanwood, Local 10 News.